Okay, question 20. The volume of a cone with height h and radius r is 5 pi centimeter cubed. So let's write that down. Volume of cone is equal to 5 pi. Yeah, it does say 5 pi. It's not really clear here in the exam question the way it was printed, but it's 5 pi, right? Centimeter cubed. Find an expression for r in terms of h. Okay, so they tell us the volume of cone. If you go to page 2 in the formula list, they also tell us what the formula is for that. So the formula is 1/3 pi r squared h. Okay, 1/3 pi r squared h. That's given to you on page 2. Formula for a cone. So we say then that equals to 5 pi, right? And it says find an expression for r in terms of h. In other words, get r equals. Okay, that's what they want, right? Get r equals. So we need to rearrange, right? Subject to the formula. We need to rearrange this here now. Okay, so we need to get everything onto. We need to change sides, take things over the other side, so we end up having r equals. Alright. What I hope you notice to start with is that there's a pi on either side here. And what I can do, I can just divide through by pi. Okay, I can simplify this. So I can write this here, divide by pi. I'm allowed to do this because if I divide both sides by pi, I'm keeping the balance. Yeah. As long as what you do to one side of the equation, you do the same to the other side, we're all okay. So if I divide this by pi, okay, and I divide this side by pi, well, what will happen here? Pi divided by pi. This is 1, isn't it? So they'll cancel. What will happen here? Pi divided by pi. It'll be 1, so they cancel. So in effect, I've just got rid of the pi's. Okay? Right? You get rid of the pi's because there's a pi on either side, and they cancel each other out. So then we get this. Now what I'm going to do now is think about this 1/3 here, right? 1/3 means 1 divided by 3, doesn't it? Think about that. You could rewrite this as r squared h divided by 3 if you wanted to. Okay? There's nothing wrong with that because that's what 1/3 is. 1/3 means divide by 3. Okay? So maybe it's clearer then, and you can think, right, well, take that 3 over and multiply. So you have r squared h equals 15. Okay? And then, of course, to get r, you need to take the h over the other side. Okay, so I'll write it here. And 15, and you take the h over and you divide, won't you? Okay? You divide. And then, to get r, you just got to square root. Okay? Square root. 15 divided by h. And you've got your answer. You've got r in terms of h.